not be the same. Few people laughed. Few people cried. Most people were silent. I remembered the line from the Hindu scripture, the Bhagavad Gita. Vishnu is trying to persuade the prince that he should do his duty, and to impress him takes on his multi-armed form and says, "Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds." I suppose we all thought that one way or another.
It is 1945, and most of the Japanese air and naval forces have been eradicated. This is not true of the ground troops, who are driven by pride and purpose. In March of 1945, the Americans had begun to firebomb Japanese cities, trying to force them to surrender. Yet the Japanese declared that even though thousands of people were being killed and entire cities were being destroyed, that they would fight to the last person, that they would never surrender. They were a threat, and the Allied forces wanted to put a stop to them without losing any of their own soldiers. Welcome to the Manhattan Project, a top-secret initiative to create the world's first atomic bomb by putting to use the combined intelligence of some of the world's best scientists, including Albert Einstein and Robert Oppenheimer. It was August 6, 1945 when the final call was made. The targets were Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The morning of August 6th, the Enola Gay flew over the Japanese city of Hiroshima. The fate of that city, however, was still not sealed, because the crew of the plane had been ordered to drop the bomb only if there were clear skies. 2 scout planes had been sent ahead to survey the weather, and they reported, unfortunately for Hiroshima, that it was a clear morning, and the city's fate was sealed. The bomb fell. Three days later, a second atomic bomb was dropped on the city of Nagasaki. The 2 bombs killed approximately 100,000 people and wounded another 100,000. Long-term effects such as cancer and radiation poisoning plagued many more Japanese citizens. It was August 14, 1945, when the Japanese surrendered, finally realizing that they could not withstand the awesome power of the U.S. weapon. The Second World War had ended not with a whimper but a bang, and had given birth to a new possible reality. The reality of nuclear war.